Hello my friends, it's Material Girl 338, otherwise known as Diane. This is video number 2 on the baby boy applique blanket that I'm making for my friend, and we don't know what the baby is yet. So this is the second video, and what I did was I ironed, I cut out, I fused the material to the fat quarter, and as you've seen in the previous video, I pinned it and made sure everything was in place. And now I'm using the zigzag stitch. My width is at 2.0 and my length is at 0.9. Mine is it's a standard stitch that most sewing machines have today. Okay, and what I do is I go slow and I do them in different segments because now I'm using embroidery thread, which is the shiny silky kind of thread, the rayon thread, and sometimes I use cotton, it depends, but so far that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to briefly show you what I do. I go slow, I do not go fast, and I keep my needle right at the tip of the fabric so that I have a line to follow. And now I'm going over to the, and I have a needle down, needle up position, on my sewing machine. So when I stop, see the presser foot goes up and the needle stays down, which is great. And this is going to be adorable. The fabric that I'm using is by Moda, and it's the baby collection, but I don't know which one it is because I got it at my favorite quilt shop, and I just bought the squares. And I'm not going to talk. I don't want to make a mistake. See, I let the needle guide right to the edge of the fabric. So that's how I keep it in line. And then when I'm coming to a curve, I stop and I just tilt, I turn it a little bit. Okay, now I'm turning it again. Because if you turn it too much, what happens is you get a spacing in between the stitches. And I normally use this light, but if I put the light on, I could see, but it causes a glare with the camera. So I'm just going to do this segment and then I'll sign off and I'll show you guys the next part. See, now I'm coming to a corner. So what I'm going to do is turning it a little bit, get the needle back there again. Okay, and so that's how I do machine applique. As you can see, it's coming out really pretty. And you can do any stitch width, length you like. I practice before I do it. This machine has got so many designs, but I like this stitch because it's very neat looking. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.